Welcome to the Great Groundhog. In this video, we continue learning about the topic target audience. Today, we're going to focus on the YouTube keyword research and the function autocomplete. This will help us to get more information about our target audience. Please stay tuned. The learning goal of this video is to use the YouTube research for analyzing the target audience. Let's type in target audience to see what happens. Yeah, we can see the first ranked video reaches about 80,000 viewers with the topic how to find your target audience in 6 questions. Number 2 is just a song, but then the next videos reach some 1,000 views. And so we see there is an audience for this topic. Now we can ask in more detail how to find your target audience. And we see there's an ad, which is a good sign because there is kind of market and people are interested in the topic. Now we can use the function autocomplete to see what YouTube suggests. So target audience, mentioned that's the song. We can see target audience research, target audience TikTok, target audience Google Ads, and so on. But let's take a look at target audience research, and it's again the same video on top. Summing up, we can say that we are able to use the YouTube keyword research for analyzing our target audience. First, we see whether or not there is a relevant number of videos about this topic. Second, we are able to analyze how many people are watching videos around that topic. Therefore, we know how large our target audience could be. Third, we get to know important YouTubers who are creating videos about a certain field, and so it is possible to learn from the best. Additionally, the autocomplete function helps us to find relevant topics in more detail. Thanks a lot for watching The Great Groundhog. See you in the next videos.